What's up everyone, GT here today, and I just moved the camera. So look at what I have here in my hands. I have an Apple Watch. Is this the new watch? I don't know, let's check from back here. Oh, yes, sure is. Series 4 space gray aluminum case. Black sport band, 44mm. So yeah, this is actually the first time I purchased an Apple Watch. So this is the space gray 44mm, and let's go ahead, open this thing up, see what's inside the box. And just for starters already, you know, the packaging's kind of fancy, I'm not gonna lie. I do rock the Samsung Galaxy S3 Frontier, that is my watch of choice. And for starters, you get a band. Check out the black bands. Although I already ordered some bands for this watch, once it comes in, I'll probably do a video and show you what I got. I kind of went high profile and styling, wheeling and dealing, kiss stealing. Woo! Yeah, I know. I was just trying to sound like Ric Flair. But anyways, fancy packaging. I'm not gonna lie. Check out the inside of the box. I guess they got like all types of watches in here or some shit. You got the blue bands, the black bands, the red bands, you got the string bands, you got the gold bands, you got the yellow bands. Oh man, pink, aqua, teal, light gray, wolf gray. That's pretty much it here for the packaging. It's pretty much a little box that you fold up. Kind of like one of those little takeout boxes at Chinese restaurants. You fold it up and you're ready to go, open it up and you're set to go. Anywho, let's go ahead and start off with the bands, I guess. You know, it's a 44mm because I got the big wrists. I got the big wrist. And obviously I don't have the big wrist. I'm skinny as fudge. But anyways, let's go ahead and slide this bad boy out. See what's inside of it. Black bands, Apple Watch. So here pretty much explains to you how it goes. To attach the band side, click until you hear a click. Okay, I did not say that right. So pretty much you're going to slide it in here. And once it clicks, that means it's, clicked in. So here's a little demonstration. Slide. So I guess this is pretty much simple how to slide the bands. And like I said again, you get the black bands. I didn't get the Nike watch. I kind of wanted it, but I said, nah, I don't want the Nike watch. What for? I don't do no running. I don't exercise. So here you have it, the bands. I don't know if you can see them here good. Oh, look at that. Black. You got the medium to large. Oh yeah, there it goes. Medium to large. So ML. Of course, you get the other band in case you want to shorten it, which most likely I'm going to do because I don't have big wrists. So this is small. So I'm a small fella. I'm 5'9", weigh about $180. Nah, I'm kidding. I don't weigh no $180. I'm probably $130. So small band. This is what I'm going to use. So this is the 44mm right here. The camera don't want to zoom in. There you go. 44mm, if you can see. So this is the bands I will be using. And of course, it is magnetic. So, where does the thing go? I don't know. Oh, you know what? It goes like this. Duh. You can tell this is the first time I've owned an Apple Watch. I've never owned an Apple Watch. I've always had, Samsung watches. Alright, next thing in the box, we go for the main attraction, the main deal, the holy feel real deal. So this is your little booklet, little pamphlet, little guides or some, how-to. Designed by Apple in California. Check that out. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, there you go. Designed by Apple in California. You do get some little flyers inside, kind of, the usual stuff that you get when you buy iPhones. So you get the wheeling and dealing right here. Watch face, I don't know if you can see that there. You get the watch face, you get the digital crown, and you got the charging. Pretty much tells you how to charge. So you got the charger here. This is a wireless charge, I think. I don't know. I might be wrong. Oh yeah, it is wireless charge. Because you pull this strap right here, and you get the wireless charger, baby. So yeah, this is a wireless charging. So you place the watch here and it charges it up for you. So you can see that. It's a wireless charger, although I'm going to upgrade and change this one up a bit. You also got the brick. Here's the little brick as well. Similar to your iPhone, usual iPhone, similar, same thing, same deal. And then we got the Apple Watch. Comes in a nice little cover, little protective case. So we're going to go ahead and slide this out. Oh, I don't know how to, okay, slide up. And bam, voila, there you go. You have the Apple Watch right there. Nice space gray, slick, clean power button. Little buttons here. This is where you clip in the bands. And of course, you got your little sensors. So let's go ahead and clip on some of these bands here. I don't know if I'm gonna clip it in right, so we're gonna try. We are gonna try. So I guess to go this way. Let's go this way. It clipped, and it clipped here, right here. Boom, it clipped. There he goes. Apple Watch. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my wrist. Like I said, I got skinny wrists. I don't have big wrists, and I think I'm doing it wrong. Okay, you gotta do it like this. I might have done it wrong. I don't know. So you slide it in here. Oh man, I'm definitely struggling. So you gotta do this. Like I said, I got a skinny wrist. I'm not a big guy. I'm slim. I eat a lot though. So check that out. Bam, voila. You know, I don't know if I got it in right. Like I said, this is my first Apple Watch. Now, as you can see here, I got my iPhone X, which I am going to soonly upgrade to iPhone Max, which comes in on Monday. So I pre-ordered it. I wanted to go ahead and get the bigger screen. So we're gonna do that. And as soon as you link it up, you know, you go to continue and bam, there you go. Apple Watch. So it says put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera and align it with the viewfinder below. So we're gonna do that. There it goes. Boom, your Apple Watch is paired. So there's Apple Watch, Apple Watch. So let's go ahead and set up Apple Watch. Oh, it's nice. 44mm ceramic case. Connecting your Apple Watch, this may take a moment. So yeah, just taking a moment, just taking a bit. Oh, there you go. Terms and conditions, we go to agree. Of course, I'm not gonna show you that. I gotta enter my password, so let me enter my password real quick. So now that I got my Apple Watch paired and synced with my phone, you can see it here, it's already matching. I got some emails, some messages. You know, you flip the wrist, flick at the wrist, and you know, you get to see. But it does go away within like 2 or 3 seconds while I went away. So it's all matching. You know, you go to Apple Watch, search, you can do stuff like that. You know, if you want to do faces, go to My Watch. You know, you can search all types of stuff. So, which is pretty cool. You know, I'm not gonna knock it. I kind of like it. It's pretty dope. I like. The only reason why I got this watch is because of the big face. That is the reason why I got the watch. The big face and the edgeless screen. So on the previous Apple Watches, you had that big black border screen, which I hated. They were small as well. If I'm gonna wear a watch, I'm gonna wear a big face watch, and that's what I like. So, you know, I like it. I'm not gonna complain. It's pretty dope. I like it. I might end up getting the silver, who knows? But the space gray is pretty, you know, it's awesome. And I did pick up some bands from a certain special spot that, you know, I might post on Twitter or Instagram. So make sure you go check that out. Let me drop a hint real quick. Yeah, I'll drop a hint right there. If y'all know what bands I'm picking up for this watch, comment down below. Another closer look at the watch. You know, you see the back here, you got the sensor. I don't know if you can see that. It's a whole redesigned sensor. On the previous watch, I think you had like 4 little dots or circles. But, you know, all stainless steel case. It does have some weight to it, although I cannot say that this does weigh more than my Samsung Galaxy Frontier 3. So, even though I'm still going to rock it, I might rock both watches on my wrist. So, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Apple Watch. I just wanted to show y'all what I picked up. And, you know, kind of glad that I picked it up. It's pretty dope. I like it. So this is my first Apple Watch. The first one I've ever owned, picked up, and bought. Series 4. And yeah, I think I got the bands upside down. But it's all gravy. It's all gravy. So I think I'm going to like it. I think I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to, you know, test it out. Do a review probably on the watch. See how comparable it is with the Samsung watches. Like I said, I've had every single Samsung watch. My current one that I use is the Frontier 3. So we're going to check it out. We're going to see how it goes. Anyways, this is GT. Thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.